In this section, we're going to introduce the types of data that you might meet throughout the course. Essentially, there are two types of data. The first type is what's known as qualitative data. Qualitative data is descriptive, or sometimes described as categorical data. This type of data includes things like colour. Essentially, qualitative data is non-numeric. And since this type of data is non-numeric, in other words, does not involve numbers, it follows that the other type of data, known as quantitative, does involve numbers. And there are two types of quantitative data. We have continuous data, and this involves things like length, or time, or mass, quantities that could be measured to any degree of accuracy if we had a sensitive enough measuring instrument. The other type is called discrete data, and this can only take certain values. For example, if we considered the number of cars passing a point, this can only be an integer. Shoe size can take half values, but can't take values such as 2.39726. Discrete can only take certain types of values. Shoe sizes come in half values, numbers of cars would come in integer values, whereas continuous data could be measured to any degree of accuracy, any number of decimal places.